World English Blog Video Quiz. Good versus well. In this quiz, you will have 10 seconds to choose the correct answer. You can always pause the video if you need more time. Let's begin. I had trouble using the software. My Zoom meeting didn't go well. I'm a Scorpio, and my horoscope said today will be a good day. It's good that I got here early. The restaurant was almost full. Even though we lost, you all tried your best. Everyone played well tonight, and I'm proud of you. There's no shame in losing to a good team. Even though we lost, you all tried your best. Good game, everyone. After the earthquake, I emailed my family to tell them that I was alive and well. Crystal lost her job, but I think she's taking it well. The party was fun. Everyone had a good time. Tell me your score in the comments. You'll find a link in the video description below for the blog post that teaches this grammar in detail. Join my English newsletter for lots more great English study tools. Click the button in the top right-hand corner of your screen and sign up today. It's free. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.